How to close Merrill Edge account. Before proceeding, review your Merrill Edge account to ensure that you have no outstanding investments, open positions, or other financial activities. You'll want to close any open positions and transfer your assets to another brokerage or bank. Get in touch with Merrill Edge's customer service or support. You can usually find their contact information on their website or account statements. When you speak with a representative, inform them that you want to close your account. They may ask you for the reason, but providing one is usually optional. The customer service representative will guide you through the account closure process. You might need to provide your account details, including your account number. Ensure that your account balance is at zero or positive to cover any fees or charges. If you have a negative balance, you'll need to clear the debt. If you have investments or securities in your Merrill Edge account, you'll need to decide whether you want to transfer them to another brokerage or sell them. You can discuss the options with the customer service representative. Merrill Edge might provide you with specific forms to fill out for account closure. Follow the instructions and complete any necessary paperwork. If you have automatic deposits, withdrawals, or dividend reinvestment plans associated with your Merrill Edge account, be sure to cancel them. After initiating the account closure process, wait for confirmation from Merrill Edge that your account has been successfully closed. Continue monitoring your Merrill Edge account for a while to ensure that all pending transactions are completed and no unexpected fees or charges occur. Safely dispose of any remaining account materials such as checks, debit cards, or account statements to protect your personal information. That's how you can close Merrill Edge account.